Hi my peeps, welcome back to my channel, and this is my beautiful princess Sanni. Say hi, Sanni.
Hi.
And today Sanni gonna talk to you about her life. This is her project for school, and she's going to tell you all about her life story. Okay, my princess, go ahead.
Sanni said, I am cute. They all love me. When I was 1 month old, I was one plus my mom.
Put your hands on the pictures too. Yes.
I was one plus my mom loved to take pictures of me. My first hairstyle braids. My second, sixth birthday. First time riding my bike. I was 3 years old.
Speak louder.
I got lots of kisses from my friends. I was 4 years old. Kindergarten, visiting cornfield.
Good girl. Next one. On top. Yes.
I was 5 years old. School pictures.
Pretty girl. Mommy's princess. The last one. Big 6.
Big 6. I am a superstar.
And those are the year's pictures at school, the yearbook pictures at school. So tell me something about your butterfly. What you like about butterflies?
Because they make pollen and they also make honey.
Oh, and they're beautiful.
And they're beautiful.
Yes. What's your favorite colors here? Tell me the best one you like. What's your favorite pictures? Show me. When you were what? What year? What years? What's the favorite picture? Oh, you like that one when you were visiting the corn farm?
Yeah, and this one.
And you like when you were 2 years old?
Yeah, and I like this one.
When you were getting all the kisses from your friend?
Yes.
Oh. You like that one? What that one says?
I am cute. They all love me.
Ah. I love the one when you were riding your bike.
Me too.
I love the one when we say you are a superstar. Look at that. Look at my princess. She is a superstar. Big 6. And that's, oh, she's getting a lot of kisses from her friends. So guys, this is my daughter's project, and she chose the topic. She said Sanni's life, creating some sun and clouds with birds in the ocean. And then we drew pictures of the moon and some trees with grasses. And to top that off, she put in a cute butterfly. And she said she's cute and she's pretty and she's fine with her hairstyle. She can ride a bike. She gets lots of kisses and she can take a lot of pictures. She's a princess. That's my princess Sanni. Come on into video, Sanni, and say bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching my mom's channel.
Thanks for watching my mom's channel.
And see you next time.
And see you next
Mwah,
time.
mwah.
Have a good day.
Put some kisses and some dance.
Goodbye.